Best iPhone camera ever. Apple has just introduced a new iPhone with advanced camera features. The latest model boasts significant improvements in photo and video quality. It includes enhanced low-light capabilities, allowing for clearer pictures in darker settings. Additionally, the new iPhone offers improved zoom functions for better close-up shots. The new camera system uses advanced AI to help users take the best possible photos. This technology adjusts settings automatically based on the scene. It can detect different environments and optimize the camera for each situation. This makes it easier for everyone to capture high-quality images. Apple has also added more options for video recording. The new iPhone supports higher resolution and better stabilization. This means videos will be smoother and more detailed. These updates make the new iPhone a powerful tool for both amateur and professional photographers. If you enjoyed the story, please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.